Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Fikri bin Azmadi. I am from group J4 MEM160 and today I would like to share with you my video about how to make a mock welding. Okay, first of all, there are three types of arc welding, which is number 1, shredded metal arc welding, number 2, gas metal arc welding, and the last one is gas tungsten arc welding. Among three types of arc welding that I said earlier, I'm going to choose the first one, which is shredded metal arc welding. As we know, shredded metal arc welding is the process that we use the electrode. Okay, this electrode, I assume this marker as my electrode that cover wake of flux to the level. So this reading will be using direct current from the electrode process, and then we will use the electrode to combine two types of metal to become one. Okay, there are 6 types of motion, which is the first one is circular, number 2 zigzag, number 3 J, number 4 figure, number 4 square, number 5 figure 8, and then number 6 straight stipple. Okay, in this video I'm going to use the first one, which is zigzag. No, I'm sorry, the second one, which is zigzag motion. Okay, before that, I'm going to share with you what does it look like about 6 type of motion. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, the first type of motion is circular. Okay, like this. The second one is zigzag. Okay, we look like this. Okay, the third one is J, like this. The fourth one is square, like this. The fifth one is figure 8, okay, like this. Okay, and the last one is straight step. Okay, like this. Okay, first, clean the area that need to be welded by using the steel wire brush. Okay, then use a brush to remove the dust. Then set the position of the material to be welded. Okay, right now I assume this is my safety glove. Okay, as you can see. Okay, first attach the electrode to the welding clamp. Okay, this is my electrode. Assume this is my electrode and it's my welding clamp. Okay. Then you can set the electrode angle according to your convenience, like this. Okay, then attach another metal to the earth clamp, like this. Okay, then touch it with the raw material. This additional metal will be used as waste metal to ignite spark at the tip of the electrode. Then switch on the welding machine. Okay, then ignite the electrode tip using tapping method. Okay, then ignite the electrode tip using scratching method. Then when the electrode tip ignites, immediately start the welding process. Do a spot weld at the both end of raw material. Okay, then if the contact between raw material with earth cable is not proper, the electrode will not create an arc. If the electrode tip do not have any spark, it will be difficult to start the welding process. Okay, restart the process by igniting the electrode tip. After finish the spot welding process, check the alignment or position or angle of the welding part joint. Okay, then move the electrode along the welding area and make a zigzag movement across both parts. This is similar as sewing a fabric. Okay, the welding movement must be in slow rate motion. The electrode angle and movement must be toward to the unwelded streamline. Make sure you be careful while doing this, and make sure you use slow rate motion while doing this zigzag movement. Okay, then use the chipping hammer. I am using this chipping hammer to remove the slot. And then use steel wire brush to clean the welding area.